go to groups.google.com. Here you'll find this page. Now only one person in each group needs to create the group. You'll click on this red button and give the group a name. I would suggest that we use a common naming convention. I would start with either the curriculum area or grade that you are representing, and then identify that you're from the middle school, GDRMS. And then if you want, you can indicate whether this is just a group for teachers or a group for teachers and support staff. And if you notice, every term that you type into the group name becomes part of the email distribution list address. So right now the group is called grade-34-GDRMS-teacher. And then you want to give the group a description. Okay, now if you scroll down under basic permissions, there's one basic permission you might want to change, or you will want to change. Under post, I would click here and broaden the ability for anyone to post to this email distribution group. You don't just want the members of the group to communicate with one another. We're going to want to broaden that. So click on public and then click on create. It will ask for you to verify that you're not a machine, so you can go ahead and do that. And now your group has been created. And it gives you some options, and I would suggest clicking on inviting people. You're going to want to indicate who the members of your group are. Now when you click on invite members, you're brought over here in the left under members to the invitation page. You can send an invitation and hope that all of the members of the group properly click on the link to join the group, but I would suggest clicking on the option right below it to directly add members to your group. Here you can enter the email addresses of the staff that you want to be part of your group, and then make sure that they're separated by a comma, and you can continue to add each and every member of the group. Then you're going to want to write a welcome message, and then make sure under email subscription options that each member of the group receives an email whenever someone uses that email to communicate. I'm going to click on add, and again it's going to ask me to verify I'm not a robot. And there you have it. Now you have a group. Now as the group creator, you will receive an email verifying that your group has been created. And I'm going to have you open that email and hover over the group name here. Oops. And let's copy that. I'm going to be sending you an email regarding the whole process of groups, and in that email is a link to a form that you'll need to fill out. And in that form you simply have to copy and paste the group email address in the first field, and in the second field describe the group. After you click on submit, you'll notice that I have shared this email group list with everyone, and each of the groups are described, and then the email address is made available to you. And just like every other email address, the first time you use it, it might be a little cumbersome. You'll need to copy the email address that you are interested in using, and then going into your email and pasting it in here. But after the first time you use the email address, it will show up for you.